All right, we're going to talk about foam rolling the T-spine, which is the area of your back that makes a T. All right, going to be up here where your shoulders and back cross one another. You're going to place your foam roller on the ground and then place your back where the end of your shoulder blades directly on that foam roller. Okay, so both should be there. All right, you want to make sure to plant your feet and then lock your rib cage down. Okay, so there should be some core activation. Your arms start across your body. You're gonna raise your butt off the floor and roll 1 to 2 inches up and down. Okay, it's gonna be quick rolls because we are prepping our body to prepare for movement. All right. After you finish your roll of however many seconds there is, you're gonna stop in the middle of your back, making sure to keep that closeness of your ribs. Okay, so hips towards your ribs, ribs towards your hips. You're gonna reach your arms overhead, keeping that close for the amount of reps that it says there. Okay, when I'm coming back, notice my elbows are bending. Okay, I'm not trying to stay straight. All right, bend at the elbows, keeping that core engaged. That's it. That's how you roll the T spine.